When all's said and done in your online business, you have to have something to sell if you want to make money. This is where your products come in. And in this video, I'm going to show you all of the products that you can make using Kajabi. Kajabi is the best all-in-one online business platform there is, and they offer all kinds of ways to package together your information, your products, and sell them to your audience. And so if you're inside of your Kajabi dashboard, you're going to go over to all products. And if you're just joining me, this is actually day 16 of a series that I'm doing called Your First 30 Days on Kajabi, where I'm walking through every single day for 30 days to show you exactly what to do on Kajabi to hit the ground running and start making money right away. If you want to get on Kajabi for 30 days for free, so you can do everything we're saying to do in these videos and see if Kajabi is right for you, you might as well use my link to do it, because you get a 30-day free trial over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You also get my 3 exclusive bonuses. You get a free course, you get a masterclass that I made that's going to help you avoid some of the biggest mistakes people make when they jump into Kajabi, and you're going to get an email launch template. All of that is yours for free when you use my link, because it is an affiliate link. So I do make a small commission when you use it, but at no additional cost to you. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So here in the products page, I actually made a coaching product just as an example when we went through in this series, talking about the first thing you can do right away. As soon as you get set up, you can have an offer ready to go, and it can be coaching. And if you want to look back through that, I definitely recommend catching up, going back to day 1, watching all the way through the first 15 days up to now. But now we're going to look at, once you are here, you have your content plan set up, you've got a really good, at least landing page, lead magnet, opt-in, people can get on your email list, you got that going, you got a good welcome sequence, and you're making content. Now it's time to really start thinking, what are the products that I can make moving forward? So if you hit new product, that's going to take you here. And this shows you the 6 types of products that you can make on Kajabi. And we're going to do an overview of each one. And then in later videos, I'll go through and walk through specifically. And we're going to spend a lot of time actually on the courses and the community. And I think the best place to start is a course. And so we'll spend a lot of time there. I do want to mention that podcast is a little tricky. The reason why the podcast is in the product category is because you can actually set a podcast up as a paid product if you want. But you can also do a normal free podcast that's distributed to all the platforms. So in that case, it kind of straddles the fence between content and a paid product. In my case, because I don't have a paid podcast, over at Preaching Donkey, I have a free podcast that's hosted on Kajabi. And so it would actually be content, but you do have that choice to make that a product or content. So let's start with course. Turn your knowledge into a world-class learning experience. Build a course that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business. Available features for courses are video content. Their video content is hosted by Wistia. It's really, really great. Unlimited, HD, love it. Audio contents, you can actually have the audio downloads. You can do text lessons. There's a membership area built in with the courses. So you can actually build an area where people can hang out inside of your courses, and then exclusive downloads, quizzes, and surveys. I suggest, as you are jumping in and getting started on Kajabi, that you begin, like once you have a coaching product set up so you can at least have an offer in your funnel, I suggest starting with a mini course. And so I'm going to, over the next few days, kind of walk through the process of building your first mini course, because I think you can do it quickly. And I think you can have an offer of a course up and ready to go. So we're going to talk about what a course does, why people pay for courses, what makes a course valuable. All that stuff is coming. And so this is where you'll go to create that course. Now, podcast, as I mentioned, is also a type of product that you can make. Create and publish episodes, distribute to all major listening apps, and monetize your podcast all from your dashboard. So what makes this a product is if you want to do a paid feed or I would just put it in the category of content. It's a lead generating tool, unless it's a paid product, in which case it would be something that people have to buy. Okay, community. Create a vibrant and engaging community with multiple groups to create unique areas for your members to interact or monetize differently. So I love the community feature in Kajabi. A couple years ago, they actually acquired a company called Vibely and got all of their IP for how to organize communities online. And it's really, really well done and really good. Within your community, you can have one big community, and then you can have smaller groups within the community that kind of gather around different topics. So available features include live videos. So you can go live in your community, video recordings. So you can upload videos into it, or you can record the live and make that part of it. Post feeds. So that's kind of like a Facebook group, but of course curated and it's member based and they all pay to be there. A mobile app, meetups, and challenges. So that's all there with community. Coaching, we talked about pretty extensively. We even set up a coaching program. And so you can go back and see coaching. But the one thing I want to point out is that we set up a one-to-one coaching program, but you can do group coaching, which is another way of doing it where it's more of a cohort style. This is something I've done a lot of. I really, really enjoy it. Instead of one-on-one, it's like 1 to 8. You might have 8 to 10 or 12 people in the coaching cohort. And I really, really love that style of product. Newsletter. This is relatively new to Kajabi, but this is a wonderful way to monetize your email list. Turn your knowledge into a highly engaging email and web experience. Create a newsletter to grow your business and build direct relationships with your audience. So there's a visual editor built in, social embed, so you can stick it into your socials, scheduling post, and subscriber analytics. And then digital downloads. Upload and sell digital files to your audience. Monetize your experience by selling downloadable files directly to your customers. Downloads make it simple and secure to offer PDFs, documents, to grow more of your business. So you can do file downloads, there's file security, flexible file support, and analytics. What I love about this is, let's say that you're jumping into this and you're like, okay, I don't have a course yet, right? And I'm doing a little bit of coaching, but I do have some digital assets that I want to sell. Well, Kajabi can support that, and you can upload those and get them ready to download right away. That's really, really an amazing feature. So these are all the products that you can make inside of Kajabi when you start your free trial. If you want to see a big picture of how all of your online business pieces fits together, go to my workshop, the Turn What You Know into Dough workshop. It's over at lanesebring.com/workshop, where I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 a month consistently in passive income in your spare time. And so sometimes, as we're kind of zooming into one aspect, right, products, it's easy to say, okay, where do products fit into this bigger picture? This is something I struggled with for a long time. It's like, I know I'm supposed to be making content. I know I'm supposed to be having an email list. I know that I'm supposed to build a course or whatever, but how does all of it fit together into a system that just prints money for me? I'm going to show you in the workshop, lanesebring.com/workshop. Go there. It's free. It's on demand. You're going to love it. I'll see you tomorrow for day 17.